Okay, this fifth problem, this is different. We are going to solve the fifth problem just as we solved this second problem. Why? Because after reading the problem, you are going to notice that 6 people takes 90 days to consume it, right? What is going to happen if we have 5 people there? Well, first, what is the ratio in here? Well, it is going to decrease, right? Okay, the ratio, it is going to be a decrease, because 6 to 5 it is a decrease, but in here you see we are going to increase. Why? Well, if 6 people need 90 days, 3 months to eat that food, less people is going to take longer. Of course, less mouth to feed, the food is going to last longer. So you see, it's reverse. When it's reverse, remember what I said, multiply this by this one divided by 5. Okay, I'm going to do it very in here. Let's follow the same roots. Multiply this one by this one, divide by 14. The same thing. Multiply this one by this one, divide by 5. If you just want a very fast root, the fast answer would be this. The fast answer is going to be this: 60 by 90 divided by 5. This is the answer. Okay, and I'm going even to put here so we can discuss a little bit. Where is the calculator again? Okay, 6 times 90 divided by 5. Okay, 108. The answer, it is just 108 days, and it's done. Okay, this is a very fast, because it's just like I'm telling you, the more you work with exercises, the more mechanical it is going to be. The idea is to work a lot on exercises to the point that it gets so mechanical that for a problem like this, you are going to lose not more than 5 seconds. That's the importance about practicing, okay, exercising math. But to get fast, we need to practice. So this would be the fast answer. Now let's go step by step. What is going on in here? Well, 6 people takes 90 days. Well, how could you do this the first step? Well, if 6 people take 90 days, let's imagine what it would take for one person, right? One people would need 6 times as that, right? Because if 6 people needs it's that food 90 days, one people, it is going to take 6 times longer, okay? And 6 times 90, it is 440 days. 3 months, and here should be 640 days. Yes, sure. If this is 3 months, and this is going to be 3 times 6, right? 18 months. Okay, 1 year and a half. It would be the answer. Okay, so one people needs 1 year and a half, much more than 3 days, 3 months. Okay. Now, if we know that one people, now it's easy. If we know that one people takes 540 days, well, what about 5 people? What about 5 people? Well, if one people, each people takes 540 days, 5 people, it is going to be 5 times less, right? This answer, it is going to be 108. You see, that is why I'm telling you this. Let's write this part. It is right, this one. And when you just divide by 5, it is this 5. Okay? So a quick review, Vera, is like this. 6 people take 9 days to eat that food. Less people is going to take more. This you have to know first. Decrease, increase. Less people, more time. It is opposite, can you see? Less people, more time. They are reverse. When they are reverse, you can't just do factor, fraction, and multiply just like that. It can't be just like that. You're going to get in trouble, meaning you're going to miss, okay? You have to think first. Are we working on this fashion in here, or are we working in this way, reverse? Because if it's reverse, you have to think. And if it's like this, let's be honest, Vero, you don't have to think, okay? Because it is straightforward, okay? The same factor, it is the same. Now, whenever you find this problem, you just go, what about 1 people? Make it 1 people. 1 people is going to take 500 days. And now it's easier, okay? 1 people takes 540 days. 5 people, it is going to take 5 times less. We have 5 more people eating. It is going to be faster. No problems about this, Vero, okay? This is the exercise.